Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are super important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, they'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see here I have you highlighted here, and then I come down here to your H1 tags, and you can see you have too many H1 tags. And your H1 tags, they're like the main heading, for example, on your website. They're like request a quote, contact us, 30 years of service. It's really the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. And right now, 30 years of service in Sonoma County is not really telling Google what your site's about. If you're trying to rank for Sonoma County landscaping, that and requested quotes, it's not really telling Google what it's about. So the other item that goes hand in hand with this is the metadata. So if you come here, the metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one for Sonoma County landscaping, and all these blue lines here, that's the metadata. And you can see here that the top guy is talking about Sonoma County landscaping, and that's why they're in the top position. When we pull yours, you're not really found anywhere in Google for Sonoma County landscaping, I think, or like on page 5. But right now, your title tag is actually not bad. It's Landscaping Services Company serving Santa Rosa and Windsor. I wouldn't say that it's a bad one, but if you really want to rank for Sonoma County, which would be a better than Sonoma and Windsor, you definitely want to have the county plus a service. So this would be better, Sonoma County Landscaping Services Company. And then also have this reinforce it. So you want these two to match as well as your H1 tags. And right here, you definitely need to have your city or county plus your service. And right now you don't have those, and that's why you're not really ranking. So I mean, if someone were to Google landscaping services company serving Santa Rosa and Windsor, this exact phrase, yeah, you'd be at the top. But obviously nobody's going to know to Google that when they're looking for something. They're going to Google a keyword like Sonoma County landscaping, Sonoma County landscapers, landscapers near me, similar keywords like that. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just these small changes will really help you rank. And then if you want to check your ranking on Google, don't ever Google your keywords here, always, because people will do that. And then as the weeks go by, Google's going to start moving you up because they'll see what you're looking for. Instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. I actually use a website called Rank Tracker. And this will actually pull your keywords and your rank every single day. So you can see I pulled you up here. Here's your URL, and then I added some keywords, and you'll see like I added your actual company name, Fernandez Landscaping. You're ranking 2 in Google for that. But again, nobody's gonna Google Fernandez Landscape when they're looking for a landscaper because they don't know that to Google that. So other items that they'd Google: Santa Rosa Landscaping, Santa Rosa, Sonoma County Landscaping, architects, companies. You're ranking like 40 is like at page 5. This is like page 5, page 6 already. So basically, you're not really ranking high for those keywords. But I really like your website, and I would love to help you fix a couple of things to make it more appealing, but most importantly, to get you ranked on the first page of Google, which really would significantly increase your income. That's really where 90% of traffic is. So most people don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I certainly don't. If you have any questions, just reply to this email, and let's get you on the first page of Google and get your phone ringing off the hook. Thank you so much, and I wish you lots of success.